Greetings, friends. Quinn here from the high mountains of eastern Arizona. And so often in our travels, we find shrines out in the bush here and there, obvious and subtle, of multiple different styles and types, honoring different gods, goddesses, spirits. And I want to show you one that we found that appears to be a shrine to the god of poop. Now, we find these more often than we would like, actually. And in many places, we find multiple shrines to the god of human poop. So, here's a suggestion, folks, especially to you of the female sort. Maybe try a different type of shrine. Maybe without the toilet paper. Maybe you could bury your poop and not leave it for everyone to see. We get it. It's a beautiful thing. Poop is so important. We can't live without it. We understand. But let's try something else. See, the wind gods agree. Let's find a different way to honor the gods of